Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change the home page on Chrome. Friends, as we all know, home page in web browser opens by default when we open our web browser. So due to any reason, if you want to change the home page in your Chrome browser, for that first you need to open the Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser, press on these three dots. Here press on settings. In settings, drag it little down. Under advanced, you will find the option of home page. Press on it. Here you need to enter the URL of the web page which you want the Chrome browser to open by default. So in my case, I will enter http bing.com. You can add any search engine or any other website which you want to be opened by default by your web browser. After entering the URL, press on back. Now in your Chrome browser, press on this home tab. So friends, like this you can very easily change your home page on your Chrome web browser. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.